Hey everyone. So let's talk about something really important that you might not have considered when facing legal trouble. If you ever find yourself arrested and charged with a crime, no matter how serious or minor it might seem, having a criminal mitigation specialist as part of your legal team can make a huge difference. You're probably thinking, okay, I've got my lawyer. Isn't that enough? And yes, your lawyer is absolutely essential for navigating the legal system, understanding your rights, and building your defense. But a criminal mitigation specialist brings a whole different, incredibly valuable perspective to the table. So, what exactly does a mitigation specialist do? Think of them as the detectives of your story. While your lawyer focuses on proving your innocence or arguing legal technicalities, your mitigation specialist dives deep into understanding who you are beyond the charges. They work to uncover all the positive aspects of your life, your background, your circumstances, and any factors that might have contributed to the situation. This isn't about making excuses, it's about providing a complete picture. They'll look at your personal history, your family situation, your employment record, any mental health or substance abuse issues you might have struggled with, your education, your community involvement, anything that paints you as a human being with a life, not just a defendant. Why is this so crucial? Well, in the eyes of the law, especially when it comes to sentencing, judges and prosecutors often consider not just the crime itself, but also the individual who committed it. A mitigation specialist's job is to present compelling evidence that persuades the court to consider leniency. They aim to show that you are not just a statistic, but a person with potential for rehabilitation and a future. Imagine this. You're facing a charge. Your lawyer is arguing the legal points, but then your mitigation specialist presents a detailed report that shows you've been actively participating in counseling for a past addiction, you have a strong support system of family and friends, you're a devoted parent, or you've been a loyal employee for years. This kind of information can significantly influence how the case is viewed. They can help gather character references, medical records, psychological evaluations, proof of employment, and testimonials from people who know you and can speak to your good character. They can also help identify and secure resources for you to engage in, like rehabilitation programs or educational courses, which demonstrate your commitment to making positive changes. This proactive approach can be incredibly beneficial in several ways. Firstly, it can lead to more favorable plea bargains. If the prosecution sees that you're actively working on addressing underlying issues and that there are mitigating circumstances, they might be more willing to offer a less severe plea deal. Secondly, and this is huge, it can dramatically impact sentencing. If a conviction is unavoidable, a well-prepared mitigation package can sway a judge towards a lighter sentence, avoiding the harshest penalties. This could mean probation instead of jail time, shorter jail sentences, or alternative sentencing options. And it's not just for serious felonies. Even for minor offenses, like a DUI or a misdemeanor charge, presenting a comprehensive picture can help you avoid a criminal record that could impact your future employment, housing, or educational opportunities. Think about it. A criminal record, even for something seemingly small, can follow you. A mitigation specialist can help minimize that impact by ensuring the court has all the relevant information to make a just decision. They can help argue for diversion programs, community service, or other outcomes that are less damaging to your long-term prospects. The process usually starts early on. As soon as you're facing charges, it's wise to bring in a mitigation specialist. They can work alongside your attorney from the beginning, gathering information and building a narrative that supports your case. They are skilled in interviewing people, collecting documents, and presenting complex information in a clear and persuasive manner. They understand the psychology of decision makers in the legal system. They know what kind of information resonates and how to present it effectively. They are advocates for the whole person. So, to recap, if you're ever in a situation where you're facing criminal charges, remember that your legal defense is one piece of the puzzle. A criminal mitigation specialist is another vital piece, one that focuses on your life, your circumstances, and your potential for redemption. They can help humanize you in the eyes of the court, potentially leading to more favorable outcomes, reduced sentences, and a better chance at rebuilding your life. Don't underestimate the power of a complete story. Having a mitigation specialist on your side ensures that your story, the full, nuanced human story, is heard. It's an investment in your future and a crucial step in navigating the justice system with the best possible support.